Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another tutorial. Definitely, I told y'all I was coming back. I told y'all I was coming. So I just did a rate me with Duke. So that's probably why my clothes is different. So I tried this neon palette today from Huda. Bomb. This is sickening. So normally I would get oily, but I didn't get oily. Milk and magnesia, y'all. So I might continue to use it because right here, like when I was in the club the other day, I liked the foundation. Now, like I just did a whole get ready with me, and that took like almost what 30 minutes to an hour. And I'm not oily at all. Definitely want to get y'all into this tutorial so that y'all can see how I use all my brushes with this eye look in the face. I want to see how I choose this look. We keep on watching. I wanted to get close and personal so that I can explain each brush and how to use them. Fitting my brows, I use Kiss Professional Top Brow in the shades Brunette and Deep Dark Brown. It is a MAC 212 right here. It's real flat and it goes with my brows. It's square. I like my brows square. And then this one is a round brush. Some people even like to use a brush like this, which is a 195 brush or a MAC. This is from MAC, or another brush that looks similar to this to carve out their brows with. It's quick and easy. What I like to do is go on both sides of the MAC 212 brush with the concealer. And slowly but surely touching the brows so that I can clean them up. And I also like to use the tip of this to go around my brow. Actually clean up the concealer, I am going to tap this concealer and buff it away. So this is a 142 concealer buffer brush from Zoeva. Oh.
Killing shit. Look at the concentration.
Wait.
Look at the skill. Look at the. Yeah. I'm gonna narrate one fight.
Are you a voiceover?
I'm on the dead low. She killing shit. Y'all see this right here? Watch the flick of the wrist.
Hey. So I'm going to go into my Morphe James Charles palette. I'm gonna do black first. Into this palette, and I'm gonna grab this green shade right here, MAC 221. What's gonna happen is, so you see the brush, y'all, so I'm going to stay in between that black and let the tip of the brush work its blending magic. So stay on top of the black and blend out the edge of that black. That's what we're doing. Position, I took like a brown or some kind of orangey shade. This shade right here out of the 35 bronze palette, and then a little bit of this yellow out of the Morphe, out of the James Charles palette. And now I'm going to take my Morphe 330 brush, tapping, go back with each shade But instead of using the flat brush to pack on the black, I want to go on with another 221. I like to go in with a MAC 195 brush to cut my crease. It actually comes, let me show y'all, so y'all can't even see. Okay, there it goes. It actually comes pointy, but I cut it, turn it up just a little bit. I actually cut it to where it is round, and so that I can cut it. After that's finished, I don't know if they are even. I don't think they're even. This one looks small a bit. My 142 concealer buffer brush. Basically, just patting the excess concealer away. Use my witch hazel to basically get all the oils off my face. Got primer, but on the outer perimeters where I don't get oily. I don't get oily like right here on my outer perimeter, but in the inner perimeter, I get way oily, and I be trying to find like high primers, because I'm pretty sure that the drugstore, I don't know, they might not even work. Something I was talking about is Phillips Makeup Magnesia. I knew some of y'all probably thought like, yeah, she was finna say that. Magnesia, I know a lot of y'all was gonna say that. I knew that's what she was finna use. I heard from Yuki that it was bad for your skin. Well, it was bad for hers. I don't know. Hopefully I won't break out, y'all. I just pray. But if so, you already know what broke me out. This cup, I don't even need that much. Just basically put this on the areas where I feel I need this shit, okay? And it's mostly, my cheeks be getting like real. Go into my Smashbox foundation. It is like kind of tight, but it's not like, you know, anything uncomfortable. This is 4.3. I got to show you, I didn't tell y'all last time. Brush is basically a foundation brush, a powder brush. You can use a powder or foundation. And concealers, I'm going to take 11 and 13. Take my tan tours in the shade medium and tan. Use this Real Techniques 405 brush, and we're going to basically tap this contour into the concealer. I'm going to take my butternut beige. Take the same brush, the 202. It's white. Pick up any brushes or flower brush. Then neon green pigment in pigment 1 green. But this brush is a It Cosmetics brush that I got during the holidays, y'all. Doesn't have a name. Cosmetics number 10 brush. It's a small brush that goes underneath the eye so that I can smoke the lower lash line. So I do want to add some glitter right here. So I'm going to take my Lancome liner in the shade Pyro. Deep brass gold in this. Add some highlight. Whatever highlight is close to me. This is Lion King Circle of Life highlighter. That's it for highlight. I'm going to with my favorite bronzer, y'all, on a Morphe E4 brush. Blush, I'm going to go in with burnt pepper and go in with the same brush that I used to wipe away the powder, which is a PC19, and just packed. I'm done with my face. I like to spray with Huda Beauty. So for lips, what I did was take Kylie Jenner's True Brown K, something matte. I'm going to take Unbutton. So I'm about to go put some earrings on and then gel my hair up. And I'm going to come right back, y'all. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Also, when you subscribe, click that bell right next to the subscribe button so that you will always be notified when I upload a tutorial. And I'll see you guys on the next video.